MashaAllah, MashaAllah. What a warm and grand welcome from our young MScians. Nisa, do you like ice cream? Yes, I do. Let's go and have some fun. Assalamu alaikum everyone. We, the students of MS Creative School, welcome you all to a healthy and food life. In our busy lifestyle, we need to have some good food eating habits. There is a small skit presented by my friends. Mama, I'm hungry. Mama is not at home. Let's see what's in the kitchen. There are burger, ice cream, pizza and chips. There are also apple, carrot, milk and fish. Mama says not to eat burger and chips, but I love them. What do I eat? Eat something good to help. Eat healthy food. What? Healthy food? Yes, they make you strong. Eat me. I am an apple. An apple a day keeps doctor away.
Oh, stop this boring food. Try some junk food.
What? Junk food?
Yes. Eat me. I am a burger. I am very tasty and delicious.
Eat me. I am carrot, full of vitamin A and very good for your eyes. Eat me. I am chew ice cream. Drink me. I am a meat. I make your bones and muscle strong. Eat me. I am a pizza full of cheese bars. Eat me. I am a fish. I am very important for your body and brain. Eat me. I am chips. Once you eat me, you want more and more. Oh, I'm confused. What do I eat? Where is your leader? Who are you? I am healthy food leader. What? Healthy food? Yes, they gave you vitamins and minerals. What are they? And who are you?
I am junk food leader.
What? Junk food?
I am very tasty and delicious.
Eat healthy food, not junk food. Eat junk food, not healthy food. Eat healthy food, not junk food. Eat junk food, not healthy food. Oh, I'm confused. What do I do? Okay, let's do a challenge. I will give them a rope and then see who will win. Okay, come on. Okay, come on.
We are the best. No, we are the best. We are the best. No, we are the best. We are the best. No, we are the best.
Oh, we are feeling very tired.
Yes, we are the best.
Now I know junk food makes me weak and healthy food makes me strong. So I will eat healthy food. Listen friend, healthy food alone is not enough to keep yourself fit and healthy. There are little things that you can do every day to keep yourself fit and healthy. Number 1, exercise regularly. Number 2, be hygiene. Number 3, wash your hands thoroughly. Number 4, take shower regularly.
A healthy inside makes grateful outside.
Say yes to healthy food and not to junk food. Jazakallah. Jazakallah friends. MashaAllah. Our MScians have rocked the stage. So I thank you all dear parents for giving us a chance to welcome you by our esteemed presence. I thank Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the most Rahman and Rahim. Islam teaches us, if we meet someone, we give dua in the form of Assalamu alaikum, which means तुम पर अल्लाह की सलामती हो. इसके जवाब में सुनने वाला कहता है वालेकुम अस्सलाम, means तुम पर भी अल्लाह की सलामती हो. So dear parents, our little angels are anxious to meet you with the way of Prophet, Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. To greet you, I call upon PP2 students perform.
तालियां बजनी चाहिए आपकी।
कोऑर्डिनेटर